Hey guys, I'm looking to buy Volatility 100 index at this point. Right, I'm expecting this index to sell to this zone, a move of this kind, sells to the downside for the buys. These are market expectations basically on VIX 100 index in the coming minutes and hours, would say. So, what am I predicting the buys from that point? Basically on Volatility 100 index. Looking at the daily time frame, I told you guys that we had an order block formation on this time frame, which I'm expecting price to sell to. I did the market analysis on this index 3 to 4 days ago, and I marked out this zone as my possible buy points on this index on the daily time frame. And we can see that price tested this order block level yesterday, would say, and we are getting the move from it. More buys is expected. We're already saying this daily current time frame candle go bullish, stay bullish. It's looking bullish, but I'm expecting price to retrace back to a certain level for the buy continuation, and that level is where I'll be looking to get into the trade. Is where I'll be looking to buying this index. So the time frame is looking nice on how we got these sales, to the downside. Price got to this order block and is reacting to it. So I'm expecting price to give the buys on this index in the coming days and hours, at least for price to get to this point, right? For price to buy to this zone. So that's my point of focus basically. We also have this level to watch out for on the 4-hour time frame. This previous highs that price sold from. You also have to pay attention to this level for possible market reaction on this index. Right, so looking at everything, market is looking nice. Let's just be patient enough to wait for price to retrace to this point for the buys. I'll be having my first target level on this blue line, because this was a level of resistance, or this is a level of resistance, because price is currently below it. You can see market reaction here, resistance, the sells to the downside, sells to the downside, resistance, sells here as well, resistance. Even at this point, we got price, sell from here as a resistance. So we got multiple market traction on this level. So there's a possibility of seeing price get to this point and sell from it as well as a resistance. So everything's looking good on VIX 100 index. Market is looking bullish. I'm currently bullish on this index. There's also an interesting information here which we have to pay attention to at this point. You have to pay attention to that formation there, because you could as well get price react to it, and market has potentials of buying to that point, because that looks like an order block formation. So we could see price give the bullish move from this spot, then contest this zone, and at this point we would get our bearish continuation. Confirming this level would be bringing up a Fibonacci to matching these swing highs and swing lows up, right? From the swing lows to the swing highs basically, which is at this point. This is the current swing high, this is the current swing highs. So from this swing highs to this swing lows, we're matching it up to confirm if this level is a good Fibonacci retracement, if this level is on a good Fibonacci retracement zone, which is between this is 1.8 retracement level and the 50.0 retracement level. So let's match it up to see from the swing highs at this point to the swing lows. You can see prices on the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level, this point, and is also close to the 50.0 Fibonacci retracement level. So let me show you guys how to match up this Fibonacci to, if you guys have no idea on how to confirm these levels. We have to measure retracement levels, two levels with high retracement probability, which is the 61.8 retracement level or the 50.0 retracement level. Getting your Fibonacci retracement, to just tap on the screen, click on this shape that looks like a camera, this shape basically, which this arrow is pointing at that shape there, right? So click on it. You can see I already added it. If it's not added, you click on add objects and you scroll down till you get it. See it here under Fibonacci is the first two, so we select it, Fibonacci retracement, and it's up here, it's up on our screen. You can see it at the top right corner of our screen. So once it's selected, sorry, I need to select it again. Once it's selected, Fibonacci, you place it on looking for sell opportunities and confirming sell levels. We match our Fibonacci to from the swing highs to the swing lows. right? So that's what we're going to do. And when we're looking out for buy opportunities, confirming our possible buy points, our possible support level, we match our Fibonacci 2 from the swing lows to the swing highs. Right now we're matching our Fibonacci 2 from the swing highs to the swing lows, because we want to confirm this sell point on this index if price is to get to it. So from the swing highs to the swing lows, you can see that these numbers, this sequence matched up, was in line. This is 1.8 Fibonacci retracement level, and the 50.0 Fibonacci retracement level is at this our sell zone. So you could see possible sells from this point, possible sell continuation, which could break this other block formation we got on the daily time frame, which could break this level for more sells. We could see price break below this other block formation here. We could get the break below it for more sells. So if price could get to that point, which is also close to our level of resistance we got here, which is close to this level of resistance, this level of resistance, which was previously a support level here, support. So if price can break below this level, if price can give the move to the upside to test this zone, we could see possible sells. That's the reason why I'm expecting the buy, short-term buys basically. But the market needs to retrace to a certain level for me to buy this index. I can't buy on the current price value because I don't think it's a safe buy point on this index. So let's see what happens. Basically, you can see how it looks on the 1 hour time frame. A little retracement to this level to this buy point, which is also a level of support that price formed previously, right? In the past hours, we got price buy from this level as a support. So if price can give a little retracement to the downside, we could see the buys, and we have something that looks like an order block formation here, which we should also pay attention to. So that's my analysis and view on VIX 100 index price action. Basically, I'm short-term bullish for long-term bearish on this index. This index is still on a downtrend. Let's not forget that's the reason why I still got eyes on the sell side of the market, right? This got this descending channel formation, which is a bullish structure, a bullish formation. So let's just get price, give a little retracement to the downside in the coming hours and days. In the next 4 to 5 hours, I should be expecting price to sell to this point a little bit for the buy continuation. And we got this downtrend generally on the daily time frame. Market is generally on a downtrend. You can see it on the 4 hour time frame. This index is currently on a downtrend, so we should pay attention to our general trend formation despite looking out for short-term buy opportunities, right? We should pay attention to this downtrend formation on this index. So that's it, guys. That's my view and market analysis on VIX 100 index price action. Basically, short-term buys for long-term sells expected on this index. So that's it, guys. Hit the like button for more market analysis like this and market breakdown. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate the support. Let's engage in my videos. Actually means a lot, guys. Let's do more and up now for the